A simply supported beam carrying point load at center L by 2 L by 2 CZA. Find deflection at center by conjugate beam method. Now first we will draw. We know reactions are P by 2, P by 2. Curvature diagram is like this, because bending moment here is PL by 4, dividing with A we will get curvature diagram. This is curvature diagram. Now conjugate beam. In simply support beam, supports will not change. Simple supports in real beam or simple supports in conjugate beam. Now loading on conjugate beam. Loading on conjugate beam is curvature diagram. The curvature diagram becomes loading diagram for conjugate beam. This is the loading now. Central intensity at center is PL by 4A. So the center span is L, that means L by 2. Now we will find support reactions. Support reaction, total load by 2, because this reaction at A, here RA dash, this is RB dash, because this is A and B. Now RA dash equal to half of total load. Total load is half into L into PL by 4A, that equal to half into PL square by 88, that equal to PL square by 16A. So support reactions in conjugate beam is PL square by 16A, here also PL square by 16A. Now to find the deflection at center, we need to find bending moment at center in conjugate beam. So deflection at center in real beam equal to bending moment in conjugate beam at center. Bending moment in conjugate beam at center. So what is the bending moment in conjugate beam? Conjugate beam at center. So here we need to find bending moment. Bending moment is the total moments of loads on one side of the section. That is, if you see left side, one reaction is there here, and here one triangular load is there. That means from the reaction, moment is here P into L square by 16A into distance up to this point, here to here, is L by 2, minus what is this load? Half into L by 2 into PL by 4EA. That means this load, this triangle load, this load, half into base into height, and centroidal distance about center means 1/3 of L by 2. This is 1/3 of L by 2 into 1/3 of L by 2. So that equal to PL cube by 32EI minus PL cube by 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 into 6 96 A. That equal to 96 is LCM 3 minus 1 2 2 by 96 1 by 48, that is PL cube by 48 A. This is the bending moment in conjugate beam at center. That is nothing but deflection at the center in real beam. Real beam equal to PL cube by 48A.